Where am I?
This is the Metaverse.
The meta what? Wait, who are you?
I'm you, silly.
Whoa, what the hell? Seriously, who are you?
Well, I am you. Sort of. I'm a digital construct of your identity. My appearance is what we call residual self-image. I'm the virtual projection of your digital self.
So I created you to look like me?
Well, yes. I don't have to look like you, though. I can look like anyone. Your identity is totally up to you.
So this isn't real?
But what is real? How do we define real? If you're talking about what we can feel, smell, or see, real is just electrical signals being sent to our brain.
Okay, but what is all this? Like, how did I even get here?
This is the Metaverse, a network of 3D computer-generated worlds that can be experienced through virtual reality.
So right now we're inside a computer program?
Is it really that hard to believe?
I mean, I don't really get what you're trying to tell me.
It's okay. I'll show you. Put your headset on. Metaverse Low Jump Program.
Wait. Whoa, what is this? Are you serious? Are you trying to kill me?
It's okay. Just jump.
You want me to jump off that?
Just jump.
Got to be kidding me.
You have to let it all go, Naysy. Fear, doubt, and disbelief. Free your mind.
Okay. Free my mind. Free my mind. Okay.
It's okay. Everyone falls the first time.
I thought it wasn't real.
Your mind makes it real.
If you die in the metaverse, do you die in real life?
No. What do you think, this is the Matrix or something? This is a video game, silly.
Okay, well, do you have something a little less intense?
Hope you like combat.
What is this?
An arena.
An arena? Oh my gosh, what do I do?
Use your sword.
A sword?
Check your shoulder.
Ah!
Then kill him.
Do I kill him? You want me to kill him? He's innocent. Ugh! Oh no! There's blood everywhere. What have I done?
Don't worry, it's not real.
It's not real? It's not real in the metaverse? Ah! He's stuck on my sword! Yucky! Oh no, another one! Help me! Help! Get me out of here!
Okay,
It's too much!
say so.
Help! Whoa! What is this?
Something less intense.
This is beautiful! I can see the whole town from here.
Time to hit the ball.
We're playing golf?
It's mini golf.
Okay. How relaxing. Into the hole we go. Or not. This is super lovely, but maybe something with a bit more action. Whoa. Where are we now?
It's tennis.
We're playing tennis?
Your serve.
My serve? Okay.
Love 15.
Okay, but what other sports games are there? Whoa, what now? Baseball? Yeah,
Strike one.
that's more like it. Batter up, I guess. Run! Safe. Maybe something a bit more slow paced. Whoa, where are we now? Is this like some old temple? Is this like Indiana Jones?
Maybe. Step on the block.
I step on this?
Don't fall in.
All right. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my gosh. I didn't know I could move around like this in the metaverse. Whoa. Can I smash these? This is awesome. Whoa. All these rubies. Alright, this is awesome. But let's see what else there is in the metaverse. What? Where are we? Like some cartoon diner?
Time to get to
You
work.
want me to make burgers?
Order
Are you
up.
kidding me? Alright. I guess, we, plate them up like this, right? Get some meat patties, chucking on the grill. Maybe some fries with that. That's how they do it, right? Put them on the patty. Add some cheese, maybe. Add a bun, and then, order up. Look, I didn't go to the metaverse to be working a minimum wage job. You got anything a bit more exciting? Whoa, what's this? Who's he?
It's boxing.
You want me to box?
Just like TV.
You kidding me? I don't know how to box.
Just punch him.
Whoa, go, buddy, stay away. Stay back. Stay back. I don't know how to fight. Do I just punch him? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Hi, yeah. 1, 2, block. Yeah. Come on, then. Come on, just swing. Oh, I got him. He's out.
1, 2, 3. Your winner is the red corner.
Yeah, winner! All right, let's try and win another game. What else you got, Virtual Naysy? What is this? Why am I in a car?
Time to get driving.
I have to drive? I don't know how to drive. Oh my gosh, get out of the way. There's so many people. Coming through, losers. Get out of my way. Woo, sharp corner. Yeah, I'm a winner! This is all pretty cool. How many games are there?
Whole worlds exist inside your headset, and it's up to you to experience them. Metaverse is whatever you want it to be. A catalogue of virtual experiences and games that can allow you to connect with others across the globe.
I think I'm starting to get what the metaverse is. Thanks, Virtual Naysy. I only hope that one day you don't take over my real body.
Too late!
Don't forget to subscribe!